today we're going to be doing our first yay or nay review. Woohoo! Our first yay or nay review is going to be a hide and seek painted rocks kit. It contains 5 river stones, 5 of them, 5 acrylic paints, 2 paintbrushes, and 1 rock guide. So let's get started. Now we're going to go ahead and unbox this kit. I legit have no idea why I was struggling to open the box. Like, it's a cardboard box. Am I crazy or something? Anywho, it was super nicely packaged. As you can see, everything came in little separate things. It was so cute. This rock guide here has like tips and stuff on cleaning your brushes. It's like 48 pages and different designs you can do. And here we have the stones. They're very smooth, and I was a little bit concerned that the paint wouldn't stick. So we're going to see how that goes. Now we have the paint. This is acrylic paint. It comes with the primary colors. I was just flipping through the book to see if I wanted to do any of the designs that they had, and I decided to go my own way, but you guys can totally do anything you want in the book, or you can go your own way. And the link to this kit will be in the description box down below, so if you want it, go check it out. Now I'm just getting everything prepped and ready. I have my water, stones, paint, and a brush. Now I'm just opening up the white to prime my rock. The instructions don't say to do this, but the dark colors are not going to go with the theme that I have for this rock. So priming it is probably the best idea. It takes about 3 to 4 coats to fully prime the rock. Now I'm just taking out all the other stuff besides my paint because now it's time to paint mix. I got these cute little shells because I thought they were going to be like cute and aesthetic. So yeah, we're going to be making a pink color and a green color. If you want to get these shells, they came with a cool slime kit. I will leave the link down below. I'm first going to start with the yellow to make my green color. And let me tell you, that blue is not going to want to be cooperating with me. It was getting all over my hands when I didn't even have it outside of the little paint pot. I don't know what was going on. It was just too much for me to deal with. It was getting all over my hands, all over the stuff, all over the table. I was just so frustrated with that blue. It's like blue hand disease. Like, what's going on, blue? Can you cooperate with me today? Now it's time to move on to the pink color. And once again, of course, I'm struggling to open it. I mean, it's not that hard to open. And then, of course, I drop it. And you guys are probably getting triggered over there because I can't open the little shell. And of course, blue comes around. Blue's just coming around the corner like nobody knew it, just Coronavirus! Always have to clean up. Now I'm just going in with my green to make the rind of the watermelon. This is my darker green because soon I'm going to make a lighter green for stripes on the watermelon. Now time to paint the pink. If you guys couldn't tell yet, which I'm sure you could, I am making a watermelon, and right now I'm just gonna kind of lighten up the rind. Well, technically speaking darker, but since I'm using white, I'm technically lightening up. If you know what I mean, yeah. Now I am just making my lighter green, and at this stage, I'm almost out of white. So yeah, you might have to use your own white paint if you get this kit. Right now I'm just painting on the seeds, and this video is sped up, but you can barely tell because the seeds took so long, and it took so long on them, and they don't even look good. I could have at least made them decent. I don't know, my seed painting skills are just not right today. This rock turned out so cute, but overall I'd give the kit an A because the paint was super streaky. You could work with it, but if you're younger and you don't really care about that, then yeah, you could totally work with it. But if you're older and you care about that stuff, then this is definitely an A. Thanks for watching. See you next Friday.